Hello viewers, I am Sajid. Today I am going to discuss with you very important topic regarding English point of view. What is the importance of English in our daily routine life? What is the importance of English in our practically life? What is the importance of English in our career life? So that's why today I will ponder about some things that can help you regarding English point of view. So today I will share some reasons that can help you that shows the importance of English in our daily routine life. So I will give some points that can help you about the importance of English language. Why English is so important? You know that English is an international language. English is a global language. So there is a very famous language all around the world. So we should focus on it, and why we should focus on it, I will give some reasons that can help you regarding the importance of English. So first one is English open new careers opportunities. It means that if you want to attain, if you want to get good job in any field of life, in any field of department, then you should know about English very well. If you will know, definitely it creates very good impact on your personality. If you will do this, definitely it create good image in front of your society, your friends, your colleagues, all the things will be there. So that's why it is very obligatory for you. You should focus on it. It means that if you have a good communication skill, if you have a good speaking skill, then definitely you can attain any kind of job in any department. You can become a motivator, you can become a good speaker, you can become a translator in different countries regarding translation of different language. So that's why it is very obligatory for you. So second one is English is a top language of internet. So it is very vital point regarding English learning. Why it is important? It is top language of internet. You can say that when you search any kind of data, when you try to find any kind of material regarding your education point of view, then it is very obligatory for you. So you can't deny the importance of English language regarding searching of data from internet. So if you have a good knowledge about English, then you can type any kind of data on Google, and after this you can access on it without any wasting your time. So that's why it is very necessary, very compulsory for us. English is a top language of internet. So if your language will be good, your power will be good, definitely you can achieve any kind of goal in your life. So third one is English is global language. Global language means it is spoken approximately 49 countries in the world. So you can know easily importance of English regarding different countries point of view. It means that when you can imagine it is spoken in 49 countries, then you can easily realize the importance of English in our daily routine life. So it's a global language. There are many countries in which it's official language, like New Zealand, England, India, I think. So there are many other countries in which it's a official language. So there are many other countries in which it is spoken, like China. When anybody want to go there for study, then you can easily know the importance of English in your life. So fourth one is English give you access to multiple cultures. It means that if you want to access abroad different culture, if you want to take idea about different culture, different customs, different thoughts, different ideas, then you have a knowledge of English. If you have a knowledge of English, then definitely it create good impact on your learning, on your communication skill, on your sending and receiving message. So it is very obligatory for you regarding access on multiple cultures. So if your communication, if your ideas, if you are speaking, if you are listening will be good, definitely you can easily know the each and every kind situation of different country, and you can easily know the importance of the culture of the different country. So for example, if you want to search ideas related to different countries like British, England means, and after this you want to search data about UK, New Zealand, Canada, then definitely if you have a strong knowledge, if you have a strong grip on English, definitely it create good impact on your personality. So that's why it is very necessary for you. So last point is English help you meet new people. It means that if you are living in Pakistan, but if you want to talk with in different countries, European countries, Canada, New Zealand, South Africa, then you have a knowledge of English. If you have a knowledge of English, definitely you can meet any kind of person, any kind of personality. You can contact with other countries related to your business point of view. Your business can be flourish, your business can be good if your English will be good. Through your speaking, through your communication skill, you can attain good services, you can attain good message, you can attain good information regarding any kind of business, any kind of study, any kind of knowledge if you want to attain from different culture, different country. So you can say that if you want to develop relation with different countries, if you want to develop relations with abroad countries, neighbor countries, then you have a knowledge of English. If your communication will be good, if your ideas will be good, if you are sending and receiving information will be good, definitely it show your good personality, it show your attitude, it show your talent, it show your personality in all walk of the life. So it's very obligatory for us, so we should focus on it. If you will focus on it, definitely one day you will be able to speak well, one day you will be able to listen well, one day you will be able to write well. So all the things will be happen due to your efforts, due to your struggle, due to your little bit time if you will give in your side. So if you will give any moment, any time for learning concern, then it will be very quite obvious for you, it will be very good for you, and it will be good learning from different part of the world. So hope so you will learn lot of things from this video, and you will get lot of ideas the importance of English, why we should learn English, and why we should give a little bit time on our learning of English. If you want to become a good communicator, motivator, speaker, then your communication will be good, your ideas will be good, and your language, particularly English, should be good. If these things will be good, definitely you can find any kind of job, you can search any kind of data, you can meet different people, you can meet different cultures, customs, and you can globalize yourselves regarding English point of view. So thank you so much.